Hello everyone, welcome to Officer 24/7. My name is Niharika Walia Bhatnagar and I am with you with the area of accounting and financial management for bankers. Acha, everyone, today we are going to talk about costing. We had started the area of costing, now so I'm continuing with the various costing methods. Today we'll be talking about more of this. So, first of all, if I'm audible clearly, let me know and happy Ram Navami everyone. I know the day is almost ending, so but still, I think a day to celebrate is definitely something to look forward to, isn't it? The day isn't over yet. Okay, acha, one more thing, everyone. If you're planning to purchase our courses, go and hurry up right away. If you go through our website, that is www.adda247.com, go on to the area of JIB and CIB, and you will see our courses available there. Go on to the area of specifically JIB, CIB, Mahapack. Okay, in the area of Mahapack, you will find our JIB Mahapack. When I say Mahapack, the reason is that you get all the courses. Crash course is going on. Crash course 2.0 has started. Our current batches are going on. Our future batches are also coming up. Revision batch will also come. Numerical batch has started. We have got every single thing that you might look forward towards your preparation. So all you need to do is go ahead and use the code Y541 and apply it. You'll get it for 6298.95. That means for 6298.95 you can get it at the website, and if you're planning to purchase through our app, I think that's better. Reason that if you buy it through our app, then you will get 1% more discount. That means of 200 rupees. That means this will cost you 6,000 only. Isn't it better? So go ahead and check it out on our website, on our app for further details, everyone. Done, everyone? So if you're planning, then hurry up and take our courses. Done? So if you're planning to purchase our courses, then please go ahead and use the code Y54 and get it right away, everyone, as the time is ticking away. Acha, let's go to our class, everyone. We were talking about the costing methods. How do we define the costing methods, everyone? Acha, here comes the question now. What does the penalty clause in the contract stipulate? Penalty clause. There's a penalty clause, indeed. If you're taking a lot of time, then this is what we'll be looking forward to now. Adjustment of the contract price, number one. Provision of security deposit, number two. Payment by the contractors for the delays, number three. Or payment by the customers for defects, number four. Everyone? Penalty clause in a contract. This is where the contractor makes some delays. So it has to be stated now. Ajay, everyone, which accounting standard records the principle for determining the profit on incomplete contracts? AS7 only, IND AS1115 only, or both AS7 and IND AS115, or none of the above? What's going to be the answer? Everyone, AS7, IND AS115, or both of these, or none? The answer is C. Both AS7 and IND AS115. The answer is this. These are the various. Acha, accounting standard 7 is for contract accounting, and when we talk about India 7, this is the same standard, but this is as per the Indian accounting standards, which were released recently. Recently means just a few years back, 4 5 years back. Acha, everyone, next question. This looks like a very long question. What is it about? What distinguishes direct material cost from indirect material cost? Direct material cost forms a major part of the finished products, while indirect material cost is ancillary to production. Actually, direct material is the main thing, right? If I am having furniture, then wood is the main component, and varnishing, tarnishing, the last part is basically indirect part. It's required, but that's not the main thing, right? Direct material cost is associated with the variable expense. Yeah, it varies. That's also true. While indirect material is considered as a fixed, no, it's not fixed. Your polish will also vary if your production varies. Direct material cost is incurred in the stores and administration. No. Material cost, fixed cost. No. Direct material cost includes expenses like rent and taxes. Material, everyone clearly states material means the thing that is required in the books of accounts. है ना? Everyone, direct material cost makes a major part of it. Right. What characterizes indirect labor cost? Indirect labor cost is that specific cost which is related to the specific area of indirect labor. Indirect labor is basically the labor which is working, but in the transportation, in the finishing, in packaging, they are working towards this area. You know? Then everyone. So indirect labor cost is basically relates to wages that are directly engaged. Direct is direct labor. It is a cost of labor employed for tasks incidental to production. It can be conveniently allocated to a specific cost unit, or it depends directly on the volume of production or level of activity. Actually, indirect labor is based upon the production area. Matlab, if you produce more, you have more indirect cost as well. Indirect cost can be direct and indirect. Indirect cost can be variable as well as fixed. Okay. Acha, what cost increases directly with the volume? Everyone, I produce more. Everyone, if I produce more, what will happen? If I produce more, obviously my raw material cost will be more. My labor will be working harder. है ना? So can I say at this point of time that fixed cost will be remaining same? Rent you have to pay will remain rent. Indirect expenses, the expenses which are indirect, matlab that is something which we do not pay directly. It has nothing to do with the organization directly. Semi-variable cost. Part of it is variable, part of it is not variable. Variable cost can be said as something na, which is completely varying with the production. What's going to be the answer? The answer is variable cost. Everyone, if you haven't taken our course yet, then hurry up and take our course right away. Why? Because our courses are available at 80% discount, and for that download the app right away. If you download our app, you will get 80% discount. Currently 79% is going on the website, and 1% extra if you download the app. Then please download the app, everyone, and get it done. Acha, what is the definition of cost? as per the SEMA, Chartered Institute of Management Accounting, London, has given this definition: the quantity of the product or service sold, the measurement of cost in monetary terms, the unit of measurement used to a certain cost in relation to the product or service, or the total amount of expenses incurred by a company. Hanshi, everyone, in terms of SEMA, they gave the definition as it's a unit of measurement in terms of a product or a service altogether. How does batch costing differ from job costing? Batch costing is related to the area. Acha, you must have seen that kids are obsessed with blue and pink color. The girls will always say, I want pink. This blue is for boys. This kind of ideology is there. So many of the organizations, just like Kinder Joy. Kinder Joy does this, everyone. Look at the specific goods that they're providing. Kinder Joy says that certain kind of goods are for men, for boys, and matlab Kinder Joy has blue and pink. Blue is for the boys and pink is for the girls. So they prepare these two different products, and these products are given to the people altogether. है ना? That is batch costing. Job costing is when I said, sir, uh, you will get, sir, what do you want? You said that, ma'am, I want 10,000 chairs. Okay, you are an event management company. Done, everyone? Everyone, what's going to be the answer? Batch costing is considered similar to one job, while job costing focuses on individual jobs. The customization is there. Batch costing is used for large construction, while job is for small. Batch costing divides cost evenly across all units produced, while job costing allocates cost based on specific requirements, and batch costing is suitable for manufacturing industries. The answer in this area is A. Batch costing involves considering a batch of similar products, such as one job is there, and in this area we have individual jobs. Done. Let's go ahead and look at the next question. What is the objective of unit or single unit output? Unit costing is basically when I'm producing something, na? है ना? How do we define unit costing, everyone? Unit costing is basically one particular thing is produced every single day. है ना? If I'm producing one particular thing every single day, what are we going to do in this case? Then the same product is continuously made. Then we don't have a problem to determine the cost of one unit of a single type of product. Second is to allocate costs across the multiple products. Then we have to assess the total production cost of variety of products, or to calculate the cost of services provided by a company. You work as per the cost. Determine the cost of a single unit is the answer in this case. Done, everyone? Let's look at the next question. What are multiple or composite costing? Multiple costing means that you are doing multiple types of costing including in it. Okay? When a company prepares only one single product, or let me give an example. Multiple costing can be stated as in terms of automobile industry. We are producing components for a specific batch. There are certain components which are prepared for everyone. There are, they are just being produced, and we have processing as well. Processing is done one level, second level, third level, and then the next level is we assemble all these things together. है ना? When a company produces a single product or when it is involved in distinct stages of production. Next point, when the company wants to know that the cost is incurred on each department when the company produces complex products with a large number of components. The answer is when a company produces complex products with large number of components. So you cannot have one customization. Got the idea, everyone? Next question. What does departmental cost focuses on? Allocating costs across various departments, determining the cost of single unit of a product, or assessing the total production cost of variety of products, or calculating the cost incurred on each department within a company. Everyone, departmental costing. Departmental costing means every costing department has to be created separately, no? In terms of our working. What's going to be the answer? Departmental costing is having a costing within different department. Department A, Department B, all these things has to be considered. Okay? Hanji, done. Next, what is uniform costing, everyone? Using standardized principles and methods for costing by different companies, allocating only direct cost to operations, processes or products, allocating all costs whether direct or indirect processes, or identifying the cost driving in this area. When we talk about uniform costing can be stated as something which is related to the specific area of using standardized principles. The principles are same for the entire organization, so there's no clash. This is it for the day, everyone. But before I end my session, let me go back to the area. Have you thought of buying our courses yet? Then go ahead and try it right away, because 80% discount is going on and it is for a very limited period. And if the discount is going on, then you should definitely avail the benefit. And if you want to avail the benefit, for that, check it out on our website and our app. Use the code Y541. Mahapack includes everything. Revision batch 1, revision batch 2.0, then revision batch, crash course 1, 2, revision batches that would be coming up, numerical excellence batch which has just started, and the comprehensive batches as well. So you have a lot of option to look forward to. So if you're planning, then hurry up and check it out on our website and our app for further details right away, everyone, as the time is ticking away. है ना? चलिए, thank you so much for being there, everyone. I hope this session was helpful for you. So please check it out on our website and our app for further details.